What if I told you Google Forms is about to become your smartest employee? No, seriously. Forget everything you thought you knew about online surveys. This video reveals the secret AI features embedded in Google Forms for 2025 that will fundamentally change how you gather information, analyze responses, and make decisions. Are you ready to unlock its full potential? On Google Forms, you can use "Help me create a form" to create new forms with Gemini. You can also create forms from your Drive files, like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and PDFs when you use Gemini. This feature is rolling out gradually and may not be available to you yet. Currently available on desktop. On your computer, open a new form in Google Forms. You can use a blank form or choose an existing form. Here I will choose an event form to walk you through the process. In the toolbar, click Help me create a form. To get ideas for new prompts, explore the suggested prompt tiles or click Shuffle. Enter a prompt. For example, type inside the box here "Create a form for the teachers meet." Click the Create button. You can get better results if you include more details in your prompt. Optional. After you generate a form, you can edit your prompt. At the top of the generated draft, click the prompt. Edit your prompt. Click Recreate. You can make changes as per your need, and you can have fully working form ready in a seconds. It will save a lot of time and increase your productivity too. Multi-file support and smart prompts. You can upload or reference existing documents, like a Google Doc with event agenda, a Google Sheet listing participants, or a PDF of past survey responses, and ask Gemini to use that as context for building your form. This is huge. Instead of starting from blank, you're feeding context and letting Gemini do heavy lifting. Write prompts to create new forms with Gemini. Include details in your prompt to create more complex forms. Here are some examples. You can include any data to create forms. For example, I have used Excel file here, Google Finance Tracker, to create the form. It has successfully created Investimon Tracker form. You need to publish the form to get the responses and link the sheet to get all responses in your sheet. Let's test the form if it's working as per the flow or not. So I will open the responder link in new tab and fill the response, and I will check if it's getting recoded in Google Sheet of the responses. Response is recoded successfully. If you're still building Google Forms the old way, manual question typing, it's time to level up. With Gemini integrated into Google Forms, your form creation process becomes smarter, faster, and more insight-driven. Give it a try, and transform the task of making a form into getting results. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.